This is a frost-free spigot, also called a sillcock valve. Over time, this one's become difficult to shut off. The only way to keep it from leaking required a significant amount of torque. The problem is a worn-out stem washer that needs to be replaced. Here's what a new frost-free spigot looks like. When turning the handle to shut the water off, the stem plunges inward and seats a rubber washer, which stops the flow of water. When the washer flattens and disfigures from use, it will take more force to seat into place. To change out the washer, you will need to remove the stem. This is secured into place by a packing nut. Most turn knob valves are similar in design. Here's one that will have a shorter stem, but it's still secured into place with a packing nut. As seen here, the stem washer functions in the same way. Before replacing the stem washer, turn the water off to the house. Then drain the water lines by opening a faucet in the lowest location of the home. This one is in a bathroom in the basement. With channel locks, hold the body of the spigot to minimize torque. Then unscrew the packing nut using a wrench. Twist the knob in open position and pull the stem straight out. Allow the residual water to drain completely out. Here's a look at the inner unit. The rubber stem washer is located within the shroud on the end of the stem. It is held in place with a flathead screw. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw. You may need a pair of needle nose pliers to extract it from the washer. This frees up the washer. The washer doesn't simply fall out of the shroud. You may need to pry it loose with a small flathead screwdriver. Then remove it the rest of the way using the needle nose pliers. As you can see here, the washer is worn flat and disfigured from years of use. This is a variety pack of rubber washers that I purchased from a big box store. These were found in the plumbing department. Select a washer that is comparable in size to the one that was removed. Then seat the new one into place as seen here. Return the screw and secure into place using the screwdriver. Once secure, return it to the spigot in this manner and tighten the packing nut. Hand tighten and then use the channel locks and wrench to finish tightening. Next, slowly turn the water back on at the main valve. Then turn the water on at the spigot, letting it run until there's no sign of air in the lines. Next, turn the water off. With the new washer in place, the knob should not require excessive torque to turn it off. The spigot is now ready to use.